Hello, my beautiful students. Welcome back to English Fluency, the podcast, your favorite cozy place to grow your confidence and find your voice. I am Maya, and I am so incredibly happy to see you here today. We have a very special, very long lesson today because we are talking about the most common frustration in the world for English learners.
Hi, Maya. Hello to all our amazing listeners in every corner of the world. I am Liam. Today is going to be a big day because we're tackling a problem that feels like a heavy wall. Maya, I hear this every single day. I understand everything you say. I can watch movies, I can listen to this podcast, but when I open my mouth to speak, my brain goes blank. The words disappear.
Exactly, Liam. It feels like your voice is locked in a box and you lost the key. It is frustrating, right? You have all this English in your head, but it won't come out of your mouth. But today, we are going to give you the keys. We are going to show you exactly how to unlock that box and start speaking naturally.
I love that. We are going to break that wall down. But wait, before we give you the keys, we have a tiny friendly favor to ask. If you're learning with us and you love these conversations, please take 1 second to give this video a big thumbs up. It helps our beautiful students community grow. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for English Fluency, the podcast, so you never miss a lesson with us.
Thank you so much for the support. Okay, Liam, let's get into it. The first key to unlocking your voice is a big one. It's about how you listen. Most people think listening is just sitting there. But to speak better, you must move from passive listening to active listening.
Passive to active. Tell me more, Maya. Most people listen while they cook or drive. Is that bad?
It's not bad, but it doesn't help you speak. Passive listening is just hearing the sounds. Active listening is when you use your mouth while you use your ears. This is where we use shadowing. You become the shadow of the speaker. You listen to a sentence and you say it at the exact same time as the speaker. You copy my speed, my rhythm, and my emotion.
Wow! So I don't wait for you to finish, I speak with you. That sounds like a challenge.
It is a challenge for your brain, but it's the best way to train your mouth muscles. If it's too hard, you can start small. Listen to one sentence, pause the video, and repeat it aloud 3 times. Then do it again. You aren't just hearing English, you are making English.
That makes sense. It's like a gym for your tongue. Okay, so I am shadowing, but what about the rest of the day? I don't have anyone to talk to. I live alone, or my family doesn't speak English.
This is the second key, the English mode. You don't need a partner to practice speaking. You have the best partner in the world, yourself. You need to start narrating your life. Talk to yourself like a sports commentator.
So I should say, Liam is now opening the fridge. He is looking for the milk. Oh no, there is no milk.
Exactly. It sounds a bit funny, but it's powerful. When you narrate your day, your brain is forced to find words for real objects and real actions. I am putting on my shoes. I am walking to the bus stop. You are practicing the bridge between your thoughts and your voice. Do this for 10 minutes every morning.
I'll try it. People might think I'm a bit crazy, but my English will be great, so I don't care. Now, Maya, what about vocabulary? I see many students with long lists of 500 words. They try to memorize apple, table, chair, freedom. Does that help?
Actually, that is the third key. Stop learning single words. Memorizing lists of words is the slowest way to fluency. When you learn one word, you have to think about grammar to build a sentence. That's why your brain freezes. You're trying to build a house one brick at a time.
So what should we do instead? Use bigger bricks?
Yes, learn chunks. Chunks are groups of words that always go together. Instead of learning the word point, learn the chunk, that's a good point. Instead of understand, learn I see what you mean. When you learn chunks, you don't think about grammar. The whole sentence comes out of your mouth automatically.
That's a shortcut. I don't have to think subject plus verb plus object. I just say the chunk. By the way, or to be honest, I love that. It makes you sound so much more natural.
It really does. Now, key number 4 is about consistency. You must speak every single day, even if it is only for 5 minutes. Speaking is a physical skill, like playing the piano or playing football. If you only practice once a week for 3 hours, your English muscle stays weak. 5 minutes every day is much better than 2 hours once a week.
I agree, but some people are very shy. They're afraid of people hearing them. What can they do?
Use your phone. This is the 5th key. Record your voice. Open your voice recorder and talk for 1 minute about your day. Then listen to it. I know, everyone hates their own voice. But when you listen, you become your own teacher. You notice, oh, I said that word wrong. Or, hey, I sounded very clear there. It builds a special kind of confidence because no one is judging you. It's just you and your phone.
That's a safe way to practice. No pressure, no stress. And speaking of stress, we have to talk about the monster.
You mean the fear of mistakes?
Yes, that's the biggest reason people stay quiet. They're afraid of looking stupid or making a grammar mistake.
Students, listen to me. Mistakes are your friends. A mistake is proof that you are trying. You cannot learn to walk without falling down. You cannot learn to speak without making 1,000 mistakes. Fluency is not a perfect line. It is a messy path. My secret for you is communication, not perfection. If the other person understands you, you win.
Communication, not perfection. I'm going to put that on my wall. If I want a coffee and I get a coffee, it doesn't matter if my grammar was 100% correct. I succeeded.
Exactly. And to stop that freezing feeling, you need to practice responding. A conversation is like a game of tennis. You have to hit the ball back quickly. You can practice this with AI chatbots or by watching a video and trying to answer the questions the person asks immediately. Don't think for 10 seconds, just react.
This is such a complete plan, Maya. We have shadowing for the rhythm, narrating for the connection, chunks for the speed, recording for the confidence, and making friends with mistakes for the courage.
That's it. The English is already inside you. These keys help you open the door. You are a beautiful student and you have a beautiful voice. Don't keep it locked away.
I feel so motivated now, Maya. I hope you do too at home. Let's do a quick review. 1. Active listening, shadowing. 2. English mode, talk to yourself. 3. Learn chunks, not words. 4. Speak every day. 5. Record yourself. 6. Focus on communication, not perfection.
Perfect review, Liam. Students, we have a question for you in the comments. Which of these keys will you try first? Will you shadow us or will you start talking to yourself in the kitchen? Let us know. We love reading your stories.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. You are doing amazing work on your journey to fluency. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who feels stuck.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking. I am Maya.
And I am Liam.
Goodbye, everyone.